Now, putting your hair in a protective style is not always enough. It's not always going to make you retain length if you do not properly take care of your hair in that. Hey beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami, and on this channel we love and celebrate our natural hair. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning into this channel, and if you're a returning viewer, I'm here for you and I love you so much. Now let's get into today's video. So in today's video guys, we're going to be talking about how to moisturize your hair in mini braids and other protective styles. Now, putting your hair in a protective style is not always enough. It's not always going to make you retain length if you do not properly take care of your hair in that style or properly maintain your hair in that style. So for mini braids now, mini braids can sometimes lead to dryness if you are not properly taking care of your hair, and which can also lead to what we know as breakage. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you some tips and tricks on how to properly moisturize your mini braids. Tip 1. Before you put your hair in mini braids, make sure you wash your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo. For me, I do not use a sulfate-free shampoo. The shampoo I'm using currently has sulfate in it, and that's because I understand my hair. I know what my hair wants. So, but for you, what is advice? What I see mostly, the most generic advice I see is to use sulfate-free shampoo. But if you already know what your hair works for, then fine, you can do that. Now, the reason why you should use sulfate-free shampoo is so that your hair will not be stripped of its natural oils, which can lead to breakage, and that's what we're avoiding. Tip 2. We know that after using a shampoo, of course, we have to condition our hair. I've heard of people who do not actually use conditioner, and I don't know how that works, but please ensure you use a conditioner. Now to the after part of putting in your mini braids. Now after putting in your mini braids, please do not neglect your hair. Do not just leave your hair and think that, oh, your hair is going to grow. No, it won't. It won't. Instead, it will break. So the first thing you should do whenever your hair is in mini braids is that you should set out a routine for every week that you are taking that protective style. It can be mini braids, might not be mini braids, any protective style that. Make sure you have a routine that you are keeping for every week. You can write it in your calendar, in your planner, you can put it there. Now the first thing to do is to use a water-based spray. It can be, the water-based spray can include maybe little drops of oil or little drops of aloe vera gel or something. Just make sure it's a water-based spray. Now after putting in the spray into your hair, then the next thing is to go in with a lightweight leave-in conditioner. I would say this: always use lightweight product. I explained this in my previous video. You can check it out on my channel. Always use a lightweight product. Now use a lightweight leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner I use is the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, and I also use the Q Care leave-in moisturizer / hair cream. I use that also, and I so love it. My hair is in love with it, especially that Q Care. My hair is so in love with it. So now after putting in your leave-in conditioner, the next thing is to go in with a light-based also oil. The oil I use is the baby oil, and I so much love using baby oil on my hair because I feel like it's not heavy, and it will do the job of sealing in the moisture. The reason we put oils into our hair is to seal in moisture. Now if your hair is very dry, if your hair is extra dry, I will advise that you use a hair butter. Hair butter is very good for dry hair because it will properly seal in the moisture. So now after doing all of that, now do not forget your wash day. Now some people, I've heard of people who kept their mini braids for like 3 months without washing. I would not advise that at all. That does not make your hair grow. I would not advise that at all. For me, I'm keeping my mini braids in for a month, and I'm going to be washing them every single week. If you can't do wash days every single week, then you can do it for like maybe every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks, that's 2 times in a month. You can be washing your hair. So now we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel. And do not forget, follow me on TikTok, on Instagram. I post every day. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.